y'all.
Thanks, man. Enjoy. Good morning.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, from Hollywood Studios. We are actually in early and standing in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Always get it wrong.
Mess that up. Okay, so now that we are off Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, of course we are headed into Galaxy's Edge. The park has officially been open for 10 minutes now. We got in 30 minutes early because we are resort guests. We are not using Genie Plus or Lightning Lane. This is my brother's first time riding Mickey and Minnie's and doing anything in Galaxy's Edge. So we're gonna try to do both rides and just hang out in Galaxy's Edge for the morning and see if we could at least ride the rides and get some of the treats, and we'll see how this goes.
Rise of the Resistance was just absolutely insane.
And the line, or the ride is closed right now.
So we decided to just go ahead and ditch that idea and just go ahead and get on Smugglers Run. Because right now it's in a 30-minute wait.
Yeah.
By the time we get through it, it's going to be really...
Yeah, we might get some picture spots afterwards and breakfast and snacks. And people are still going to be waiting in that awful line.
Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates!
There's another bird's nest.
All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Flight engineers, repair test with your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Joy makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
That's you, Jacob.
There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot. Go free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Oh my God.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Go right.
Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Runners, shoot the train. So close. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Legs are getting too hot. of Copaxia. This would greatly help the resistance.
Oh my God.
You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
43% damage. Oh, you can go do stuff.
Maybe you should.
Hey, we
try
killed
the
10
next
things.
time.
Yeah, really.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen. Alright, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Just held the button.
Text, we have a Runaway freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Yeah, that was cool. So you like that?
Yep.
Yeah.
You guys like that?
Blue and green, and then he's gonna get a blue.
Mixing them up's pretty good too.
Oh yeah, blue's better.
Blue is better. So we got overnight oats. It looks like it's got boba and berries and fresh fruit. And these guys got Ronto wraps, the breakfast version. What do you think? Delicious?
Yep.
Yeah. It looks really good. It's cheese, egg, sausage, and the pita.
I don't know about it.
You don't think they're cute?
They look a little Yeah, I know. They look a little derpy.
I think they're adorable.
I don't know about it. Yeah, they are soft monkeys.
Yeah, they're super soft. Like the little porky pork. I don't know about all that.
It looks like you got a boomerang.
Oh.
We gotta go.
That little girl is so mad. That crane or whatever bird it is ate a lizard right in front of us. Ugh.
Oh, look at that. First little parade of the day, cavalcade, whatever you want to call it. There's Edna. Okay, everybody, so Samantha and Sam are both riding single rider line in the rock and roller coaster. So I'm just kind of wandering around, popping in some shops. I will say the crowd level is pretty high right now. Of course, it is spring break, so kind of get what you get, but it's not been unbearable. We've kind of done what we wanted to do, what we expect to do, except for Rise of the Resistance, which we kind of knew was going to be a hit or miss. But anyways, I'm just going to walk around and continue to just kind of people watch, I guess.
Okay, so that single rider line is about an hour and 20 minutes. Rock and roller coaster is always fun though. Nice and smooth, and we're out walking around, maybe try to find like a fun vacation drink or something. I don't know. It's getting very crowded, but the weather is really nice, so that's all we can ask for. Wade and I are sharing a pretzel from Baseline. Sam got his own.
Thank you, citizen. Your loyalty is appreciated. Find something interesting? I find. All right, proceed.
All heading back for round 2.
Like the butterbeer of Disney.
The butterbeer of Disney. Or at least Hollywood Studios.
No alcohol on those?
Thank you. Taking it in?
Taking it in. Fixing to get out.
Oh.
Nobody's
this way.
Oh my gosh. I miss my Remy so bad. And there's a sweet golden right there. Oh. All right. We are headed out of Hollywood Studios. It is almost 1 o'clock and you can park hop at 2. So we are about to head over to Epcot. We rode 3 rides this morning. We've had food, we've had snacks. We've been trying to save our food and snacks because we're obviously going to be doing lots of flower and garden tasting. But I think we're going to end the video here. It's been a super fun morning. We've been here for several hours and it's already really feeling nice, and I feel my watch going off, so I just got my 10,000 steps. So yeah, we're walking to the truck. We're gonna go park at Epcot, so when we leave tonight, we're gonna be exhausted, so we can just hop in the truck and head back to the resort. But that is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you tune in for Epcot's video that we're gonna start in just a few minutes. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!